is for the Google Oauth dev verification, and this talks about my app greetings and how we verify and how we use Oauth and the sensitive scopes. So this is the default state of the app before you log in. So we sign in with Google. We go into the screen, so let's use this. So let's just look at the URL because that's something that's requested by Google. So if you knew the URL, it shows you the access type is offline, prompt is content, the response type is code, redirect URL is given. You can check that. It's not painful URL. And then the scopes, you can see email profile. And then there's the email send scope that I kind of request. Now the client ID is whatever it's given. And I'm just showing you the rest of the URL. Yeah, that's it. So let's click on this. Goes here, it gives me the warning that it hasn't been verified. That's why I'm doing this video. So let's go to this website. So now it says that I have 4 services that I have access to because I've logged in with this account before. So let's look at what it is. So there's email send, there's personal info, that's basically user profile that I get from Google, and also the email address. So this is the 4 things that I want. This is the sensitive scope of sending email. So you just say continue, and bam, we've logged in. So I've already created one greeting where essentially I have created a email. I want to send an email with a poem that's generated to the user. So I automatically create this poem in my backend. So, and let's say the name, I want to send an email to aksharangasai.d@gmail.com. Scheduled date is next year, but I want to send it now. Occasion is birthday, date is September. This is like random personalization. And this is the auto-generated poem that I've created for this user. As you can see, this is a random poem that's been generated. Now I want to send it like a personal greeting. So I go here and I click on email recipient now. So the email says the email has just been sent. So let's go look at the inbox of my recipient. This is my other email ID. You can see this is a greeting from, you can see I just got this email. I click on it 0 minutes ago. I get the greetings in this format. So I'm the recipient. I just clicked on send email now, and using the Gmail sensitive scope and the API, I've been able to send an email. So now let's look at what happened in this other ID from which I signed. This is the other ID from which I signed. You can see it here, signed in. I go to my sent email, and you can see, just give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry. I go to the sent email and you see that 0 minutes ago it's just been sent now. I see that I've used the API and sensitive scope to send this email. So this is broadly how the sensitive scope is used in this app to send emails. Hope this explains how I use it. Hope this explains how this app works. The entire point of the app is to generate random poems and send it. Instead of copy pasting, I use the scope to help make it easy. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.